And recording. Hello, this is Steve here, back with my next mod review. It's been a while since I've done one. I think it was April 28th since I last did mine. Anyway, if you, I can't even talk today. If you notice I'm kind of out of breath, is because I tried doing this. P.S. I got a new camera called the Bandicam. You might see it at the top of the screen, but yeah, unfortunate downfall. The first time I tried this out, it did not record my voice whatsoever, and I kind of kept with everything I had built. So yeah, this is a basic understanding of something I'll get to later. I'm not entirely yet remember what it looked like, but anyway, I'll tell you about it later. So this is key and code lock doors. Wait, I also forgot to mention something you can get in the previous videos. Might as well mention it now before I forget it again. These are basically non-griefing doors. If you don't know what it means, which I probably am the only one that does, because I do not know what I'm saying anymore. These doors basically creep out griefers of anywhere you want, because they're basically unbreakable, and they only open at the keys or codes that you have. The codes don't really keep in a book, you just have to remember them. I'm not really going to use this again, because in the last time I tried doing this, the only thing it would do was just basically, freeze my game a bit, then try it again. Especially I just clicked and it worked, solved itself, but then it happened again and I had to shut down Minecraft. Sorry, I got... Anyway. What? Anyway. Yeah, so let's get started. As you see, I've got like 2 keys here. I've already got them named. You just basically set down one of these doors. Oh yeah, right, I forgot. Hang on. Let me fit the door. So basically, if you've got a door that's indestructible and you place it in the wrong spot, say I just did right here, I didn't want it out here, you've still got to get the key for it, link the key to that door, just put in some random stuff, and then open the door, and you've got this little device here called a locked door remover. This only works if you have the door opened. You just right click on it, and it destroys the door and gives you it right back. So there, I remembered it this time. Also, another thing, I just forgot that part too. Anyway, so basically, what you do is right-click a key on a door like I showed you over there, and you name it whatever you want. So that way you remember what the key goes to, what door. It does not really name the door at all, so you basically gotta remember what the door is as well. So basically, you just right-click the door with the key and it'll open. You don't have to necessarily close the key with the door, or close the door with the key. God, terrible speaking today. You can just use your hand and it will automatically close. And so there, you've got all your stuff. Secret. Or not really secret very much, because you can see doors that you can't really open. But pretty much like that. Now this is the code lock door. It is not apparently working at the moment. I'm not going to right click it again because it basically messed up my game. And apparently split the video into 2. I don't know how that's possible. I just clicked the pause button. Anyway, so what this is right here is my basic memory of what was. It didn't really look like that, but there's like 2 numbers right there. So that was the best I could make of it. I'm not really good at making stuff out of stuff I tried doing about 3 months ago. Anyway, the one downfall to this as well that might be only doing it to me, probably not to you guys. It might be the version that I was only able to download, but unfortunately on my screen it would only pop the GUI on the top part of the screen or the bottom part of the screen. Also, I found out in the last video I do not have my mouse showing. So that was something else I know about this now. Yeah. Pretty cool camera thing. As long as I keep the video within 10 minutes. So I'm going to hurry this up. So another thing is here, I've got a locked redstone thing. is the key locked. Another one is the code lock. It's basically like that, except it has that little code thing right there, right in the middle of that. And it's basically kind of expanded. So here's how this works. You just right-click it, and it'll activate any redstone it is linked to by basic redstone properties. I'm not really good at redstone either, so not really my best work of art. And this is... yeah, I already said that. Anyway, so let me think. Oh, right, I was going to research the recipes up for this, so if you hang on a second, I'm going to go look at that. Okay, so I got all the recipes up now. So here are the recipes. For a key lock door, you need 3 obsidian in the middle, or side, whichever. It doesn't really matter what I found up. I keep forgetting things. Anyway, and also 3 iron ingots right beside it on the left. Now make a key lock door. Code lock door, you need the basic thing, basically the same thing, except a redstone in the middle, instead of obsidian. And that'll make you a code lock door. For keys, you just need sort of like a helmet, except the left bottom part here, the farthest bottom left down right thing. I don't know. I'm terrible at describing things. It is redstone, and that'll give you a key. How do I even have to explain things? Anyway, the lock door remover is basically like an upside down helmet with redstone in the middle and flint and steel at the top. I don't know how that works, just ask the mod creator if you want to. Key redstone lock, as it's called, it's basically all iron ingots with a bit of one redstone on the side in the middle. Code redstone lock is the same thing, except redstone on the opposite side. And that'll basically be all for this mod. Let me think for a second if that's everything. Yeah, I believe that's anything. Everything. Oh, God, I can't talk today. So, this is LogiSteve signing off. There you go.